Okay, Robert, this is 7491 Salizar Street. It has a partial little white picket fence, and then it's chain link around the rest of it. You've got a kind of a high maintenance front yard. You've got succulents, but you also have palm trees, which I know you like in the yard. Cute little garage here. You come up the walkway, you do have 3 steps to the walkway, and the garage door is not attached to the house. You have 1, 2, 3 steps, but that could be easily replaced with a ramp. We've got a nice laminate, 98% waterproof, and then I'm standing in the doorway, and you can see it's a really nice open floor plan. There's our lovely agent. You've got great space. The colors in here are really cool. I personally really like them. You've got recessed lighting, and look at this hood in kitchen area. We've got 6 burner gas stove, really nice area for the kitchen, plenty of storage, stainless, your washer and dryer in here. Okay. Stainless with water, plenty of cabinetry, not new, but in good shape. And then you've got designer paint colors throughout the house. This is the hall. You've got a closet on the left, which is coat closet. You've got a little desk area. Then you get closet doors have been removed, but I know that you like that as well. Here's the hall bath. It's been redone with the backsplash and a custom mirror. Bedroom number 2, which faces the yard. And bedroom number 3, which is this really pretty deep turquoise paint with the ceiling fan. There are no mirrored closets because the closet doors have been removed. But again, I know that you like that. But if you wanted those put in, that's an easy fix. Again, the gem here is that it's an open floor plan with plenty of space, and you've got nice flexibility in the backyard with turf, so it's low maintenance. You don't have to worry about that. A little barbecue in the corner, a semi-covered pergola, and then you could add your patio area, and then you've got an additional chain link for privacy from the elementary school. Okay, so I will follow up with you on this one.